Hi my darlings, so today's video is for Wednesday, September 9th, and it is now time for our reading lesson. So let's see what our read aloud is for today. It is titled Me and My Place in Space, and the author is Joan Sweeney. I remember the author writes the story, and it's illustrated by Annette Cable. The illustrator is the one who draws or paints or colors the pictures. So again, the title is Me and My Place in Space. Let's see what's going on in space. Hold on, give me a second to get to the right page. All right, can you guys see it? Okay. This is me on my place in space, the planet Earth. So you guys can see she has a picture of the Earth, which is the planet we live on, and then she has a picture of our moon that you can see in the sky at nighttime. You guys see that? Okay. The sun is really a fiery star, as big as 1,000,000 Earths. So the sun is pretty big. It's like a whole bunch of Earths in one. And it's just a really big star, but it's on fire. On Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, days are burning hot and nights are icy cold. So next to the sun is Mercury. That's the first planet next to the sun, Mercury. The sun comes up in the west in Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes it the brightest planet of them all. So the first planet is Mercury, then there is Venus when you're looking at the solar system. And sometimes you can even see Venus in the sky as a really bright, what looks like a bright star. My place in space, beautiful Earth, is the third planet closest to the sun, and the only one in our solar system where living things grow. So out of all the planets, our planet is the only planet that has living things growing. Long ago, there may have been life on Mars, but now Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. So the first planet is Mercury, then there's Venus, then Earth, and then there's Mars. We're getting farther and farther away from the sun now. So Mars they call the little red planet. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas, bigger than all the other planets combined. So Jupiter is the next planet after Mars, and it is huge. So big. After Jupiter comes Saturn's wide rings that are made of ice particles, some big as houses. So Saturn has rings that go around that planet, and it's made of ice particles. And those ice particles, some of those are pretty big. On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines 42 years in a row. Can you guys imagine 42 years of the sun shining? No nighttime, just the sun shining for 42 years? That's a lot of sun. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. Its great dark spot is a giant cyclone where winds blow at 700 miles an hour. 700 miles an hour, that is really fast. That's faster than any of our cars can go. And Pluto is an ice ball so far away, the sun is like a dot in the distance. Look at Pluto down here. Very small, very far away. So as the planets get further and further away from the sun, they get colder and colder and colder. But as big as our solar system is, it is the only one tiny part of the Milky Way, an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars, some with solar systems of their own. So it says our solar system is here. This is the Milky Way. So the Milky Way is a galaxy filled with a whole bunch of other solar systems. And the Milky Way is only one of many, many galaxies in the universe. So many you might run out of numbers to count them. So space is so big. It has our solar system, which is in the Milky Way galaxy, which holds a whole bunch of other solar systems. And the Milky Way is in a huge amount of space with all these other galaxies that hold solar systems. And the universe is so gigantic, you could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. The universe is huge, huge among us, so big. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy like mine? Another solar system like mine? Look, there's our solar system, there's the sun, and then here are our planets, Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto, the small one there. Another sun like mine? Another planet like Earth? With another someone like me? Look at, she drew herself, looks kind of like an alien, and her cat. Could be. The end. So again, that was titled Me and My Place in Space. Okay, my darlings, now we've also been learning about nouns. Yesterday you learned about nouns, and you learned about people are nouns. So again, people are anyone, mom, dad, grandma, teachers, police officers, actors, actresses. Nouns are people. So another group of nouns you're going to learn about today are places. Places are nouns also. Can you guys see my poster? So your house, the garden, the park, the zoo, any place that someone can go or talk about, that is also a noun. So nouns are people, and nouns are places. Places. And look, there's a picture of Earth. Earth is a noun. Home, the garden, school is a noun. The zoo, any place that anyone can go is a noun. So places are noun. So all of these planets in here that she talked about, and the sun is a noun also. That's a place. Earth is a noun. Mercury, Venus, all of these planets are nouns. Earth, her cat is a noun. She is a noun. Remember, people are nouns. So people and places are nouns. So let me show you that again. So nouns are places. Oh, there we go. And nouns are people. And we will learn more this week about nouns. So we just went over people and places today. Now let's review our sight words. We learned 2 new sight words added to our list today. So let's go through all of our sight words. So this one is I am the, good, little, a, and two. Let's do it one more time. I am the little a two. And if we're doing our Google Meets with you, remember to have your journal ready so that we can do sight word sentences. Okay, last thing we're going to do is go through our alphabets. I've got some new alphabet cards to go through. All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I'm going to bring it a little closer, H, I, J, K, cute koala, L, M, you guys see that M? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, my darlings, that's the end of our reading lesson for Wednesday, September 9th. Remember to practice your sight words, practice your letters, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.